Today I'd like to show you how to play Meantown Blues by Johnny Winter. I'm tuned to E. The middle string instead of B is A, and then high E as usual over here. Now it's a pretty quick song, and there's a couple tricks to being able to play it quickly. It starts off on the low string, 3 to 4. That's a hammer-on. And then you go to the middle string. I'm using a pick and 2 fingers today. And then you play the rhythm, the chord, 3 times. Now, when he does it, of course, he has more strings, so he's playing the chord and letting that note ring. When we play the chord, we have to kill that note. That note right there. Oh, the second part of the lick is 3 and 4, hammer on the middle string. So if you practice hitting the middle string with your pick or your thumb, and then taking any 2 fingers, in this case middle and ring finger, and picking up quickly, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's actually like 3 and 4 and. If you practice that to become second nature, then it's pretty easy. The next part of the song, once again, he's got more strings, yay, but he can, we can sort of emulate the fullness by, I usually up pick and get the middle string. The reason I up pick is I want this note, the 3 and the 2 on the high string, to be really strong. That's the main lick. 3, 2, 3 in the middle, open in the middle, 3 on low, open on low, 3 in the middle, open on the middle. That's the whole lick there. So by brushing upwards, I can make it sound a little fuller. It's not the same as him picking the other strings, but it sounds kind of full. You can even syncopate it a bit with a little upstroke if you want, like a, or in this case it'd be reverse, it'd be a downstroke. But that gets a little complicated, but it makes it sound a little fancier. So the next main riff of the song is the one that he plays when he's singing. So he goes up here to 8, and he just bends it a little bit. So that's 2 little bends. 5, 3, 0, 5, 3, all on the first string. And then 5 on the middle, open on the high, ending on 3. Now the little demo I did, I stopped there, but he goes right back into the riff. So I'll do that again. Anyway, that's how I do it. I hope you have fun with that. Have a great day. Bye.